here I come to the elevators at OHSU Dentist Clinic. We're taking a round trip. These do talk. This one. No, I'm going down. This is by myself, you guys. I'm riding by myself. Okay, up to 12. This is just your basic elevator. Now, after we go to 12, we'll go to 11 to see my mom. And we'll get a view. Here we are on the 12th floor. We're not getting out. So this is the 12th floor. Now we need to go to 11. And here, and I'm going to get a view.
Okay, let me finish this.
I'm going
I'm not.
I'm going to get a view over there. We're 11 stories up. Look, you can see the top of that building down there. It's only 3 floors, and there's the tram over there. That was the service elevator. Do you want to say bye? Do you want to say bye on camera?
No, I don't want to be on camera.
It's okay.
No, I don't want to be on camera. Okay.
So that is it. I hope you liked this video, and please subscribe and like. That's it.